2010 Mercedes GL450. The battery went bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. And the front seat is not moving at all, so we'll have to jump the battery in the engine with another battery, see if we are able to move the seat. Jumping the battery here for about 15-20 minutes already, and the seat still doesn't move at all. After about 30 minutes, still no power flowing anywhere here, so the seat is not moving. So I'm gonna see if I can take out the bolts here in the front of the seat and also the plastic cover and see if I can access the battery a little bit here and then from the rear too. And I'm gonna be taking out this plastic cover here. This plastic cover is supposed to come out by the rear of the seat, but I'm gonna be taking it out from here. This is the positive cable here on the battery, as you can see. I can disconnect it here, or I can disconnect it from the rear too. I'm gonna be taking out the two bolts on the rear of the seat too. Let's see if that helps. Guess what? I was talking about not having power here at all, but now I do. The battery started to work a little bit, I think, and now I'm able to move the seat. The rear of the seat here, two 14mm bolts, Torx. It takes about 15-20 seconds to take them out, and that is including lifting the seat. Take out the plastic cover here in the rear. And now we can see the battery right there. Pull out the air duct tube. It has a clip on the right hand side, but this one is not here anymore. Disconnect the small ventilation hose. Lifting up the seat to have all the space. I'm using a piece of wood here to hold the seat up. Now I have all the space here, as you can see right here. By lifting up the seat, it takes about 20 seconds of a minute to do it, including taking out the bolts. Move the carpet aside. Take out the 10mm nut and the negative cable. Let's remove the nut on the positive cable. Remove the positive cable. Remember, there are fuses around here and also the auxiliary battery, but we're not touching any of that today. We're only replacing the main battery. Let's take out two 13mm nuts that are down there for that bracket that keeps the battery in place, but I can see only one nut in this case, and I lost the nut already, so I'm gonna use this magnet to pull it out. This is the bracket here, and this one keeps the battery in place, and it has two nuts, but in this case it had only one. Let's pull out the battery. Just make sure there are no wires or cables, anything like that, tangled on the battery at the moment of pulling out this battery. And immediately we proceed to install the new battery here. Just make sure there are no wires or anything like that on the floor, so the battery will not sit on top of the wires. Also, I want to say that I did not buy this battery. The owner of the vehicle bought it, so I don't know too much about this battery. But it seems to be a good battery. They bought it at Walmart. Before installing this ventilation hose, make sure you have the bracket inside the hole first. Place the bracket inside. Tie the nuts on the battery terminals. I don't know how many pounds of torque, but it should be about 8, maybe 10, something like that. I hope this nut can stay here on the socket. This is for the bracket down there. I'm very lucky because the nut did not fall off the socket on the way down there without putting any tape on it. Let's install the air duct tube. All you do is putting it across like this, very easy. As I said, this has a clip here on the right hand side, but it's not here anymore. Take out the piece of wood I used to hold the seat up. See, the holes of the seat are matching the holes on the floor right there. So all you do is put the bolts and that's it. Because the seat is moving right now, let's pull it to the rear. Let's put the bolts here in the front. Now let's open the carpet here again, and this is to place this plastic cover here by the front of the seat, because this goes on top of the battery, but normally you place this cover by the rear of the seat, but I forgot it, but I can put it here with no problem. And this is how you replace the battery in this vehicle. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.